We are a China-Japan joint venture with more than 20 years experience in plastic injection mold produce. We are located in Shunde, the world center of home appliances. We own an outstanding design and engineer team. Our engineer director Mr. Guo worked in Japan for more than 10 years for plastic mold making. Our executive director Mr. Wang engaged in plastic mold manufacturing for more than 25 years. Factory covers 3,500 square meters with more than 30 workers for mold making, 1,700 square meters with more than 20 workers for plastic injection. Under ISO 9001 management system, we own complete equipment to ensure the fastest delivery time can be within 15 days. There are 15 sets for CNC such as 855, 1066, 1989, EDM 9 sets, wiring DM 5 sets, grinder 5 sets, deep hole drilling machine 1 set, saw machine 2 sets, injection machine 27 sets. We can do high precise injection mold up to 5 micron. We always pay attention to every detail from rough processing to finish processing, final adjust and assemble. Make sure 100% correct and improve output efficiency. We are made in 4 kinds of molds: home appliance like rice cooker, humidifier, kettle, car accessories, plastic parts like car head, spoiler, bumper, switch and socket include waterproof box, back box, switch cover, medical apparatus like medical chair, charging dock, and other large-size plastic mold like air conditioner, air purifier.